How can I improve my English faster? My answer for this question is always the same. You need more than vocabulary. You need more than grammar. You need opportunities to use English consistently. That's why today I want to tell you about Idiomas OCW, the academy where I currently work. It is an online English academy focused on conversation. Students can choose private lessons, small groups, or flexible schedules if they have a busy routine. They also have extra resources to help students practice English outside of class. And now they are offering a 10% discount on all their plans. If you're ready to take your English to the next level, this might be a great time to start. Leave me a comment.